Hey tech enthusiasts, are you tired of your resume getting lost in the black hole of applicant tracking systems? You're not alone. Today I'm sharing essential tips to make sure your resume not only gets seen but also stands out. Let's dive right in. First things first, what is an ATS? An applicant tracking system is a software many companies use to manage the hiring process. It scans resumes for keywords and ranks them based on relevance to the job description. So, how can you make sure your resume makes the cut? Tip number one, use keywords effectively. Read the job description carefully and identify key skills and qualifications. Make sure these keywords are naturally incorporated into your resume. For example, if the job requires JavaScript proficiency, don't just say experienced in web development tense. Specifically mention JavaScript. Also include variations of the keywords. If the job mentions Python, consider adding Python scripting or Python programming as well. This increases the chances of matching different keyword searches. Tip number two, use a simple, clean format. ATS software can struggle with complex layouts, graphics, curve, fancy fonts. Stick to a traditional format with clear headings like experience, skills, and education. Use standard fonts like Arial or Times New Roman and avoid using tables or text boxes. Make sure your resume is saved as a Word document or PDF, as these formats are typically ATS friendly. Tip number three, optimize your job titles and headers. Use standard job titles rather than creative ones. For instance, if your official title was Coding Ninja, consider using Software Developer instead. This makes it easier for the ATS to understand your role. Your headers should also be straightforward. Stick to common terms like professional experience instead of career highlights. Tip number four, focus on relevant skills and experience. Tailor your resume for each job application. Highlight your most relevant experience and skills at the top. If you're applying for a data science role, your proficiency in machine learning and Python should be front and center. Use bullet points to list your achievements and quantify them whenever possible. For example, improved application performance by 30% through code optimization. Tip number five, include certifications and technical projects. Tech roles often require specific certifications or hands-on project experience. Mention your certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Google Data Engineer prominently. List your significant technical projects, especially those relevant to the job. Briefly describe each project, the technologies used, and your role in it. This not only highlights your skills but also shows your practical experience. Tip number six, use action verbs and quantify achievements. Start your bullet points with action verbs like developed, implemented, or designed. This makes your resume dynamic and impactful. Quantify your achievements to give a clear picture of your contributions. For example, reduced server downtime by 20% through proactive monitoring and maintenance. This helps the ATS recognize your achievements and boosts your resume's effectiveness. So there you have it. 6 tips to make your tech resume ATS friendly and stand out to recruiters. Remember, getting past the ATS is just the first step. Your skills and experience will do the rest. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more career advice and tech tips. Good luck with your job hunt. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.